Hi, I'm Meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk mountain weather and ski conditions. And as I talked about yesterday, there are two storm systems I'm watching, one minor and one a little bit bigger that's going to be moving into the west coast. So first off, this is a live view, Loveland ski area. The snow is now falling in Colorado. This is that small minor storm that will brush Colorado and dive kind of into the southern mountains of the state and affect New Mexico as well. But let's get into the analysis. I think tomorrow will be a good ski day, especially in southern Colorado. I'll show you some of the accumulations. Here's radar satellites. So let me point out what we've got. So we've got this, you can almost see the spin right there. Let me mark this. So there's roughly your low pressure. And it's diving, it's kind of diving down towards Albuquerque. And so what we'll do is drag the snow down through parts of Colorado. It will come down I-70 into the southern portion. Now behind it, there's going to be a break, and then there is a larger storm system sitting off the west coast. Let me show you that right now as well. You can see the grouping of clouds out there and also the spin. Let me just mark it if I can get that up, if I can mark that. So there is your area of low pressure right here. And what it will do is it's going to slide into the west coast. So this will be a better pattern for Whistler all the way down through the coast. And I'll show you some of the accumulation on the future radar. And then this storm, and there's even a southern component. You can kind of see it right there. You see that southern component? That will help to bring snow into the interior. Alta, Snowbird, the Wasatch, and the Tetons as we head into potentially next weekend or this weekend coming up. So here we go. Here is our future radar. So there's your minor storm over Colorado, slides away by tomorrow morning. It's already moving away. Then there is a big break in the action across the west. Then we take a look at that storm that's over the Pacific and it starts to affect the coast. There we are Thursday in the morning at 5. Here comes the snow, the precip hitting the coast. Whistler's got snow. There's snow hitting parts of the interior there around the Sierra. And then there's even a little bit in Sun Valley by Friday morning. Now here's the key part of this forecast. The timing on this storm and that southern component as well. But all of that will start to push moisture into the interior. So this is Saturday morning at 5 o'clock on the dial here. The snow is just arriving as it appears in the Wasatch, just arriving. So there may be a little bit of snow before the lifts open on Saturday, but more of it's going to come during the day. So Sunday morning might be the day in the Wasatch. Depends on the timing. If it stays like this, could speed up, could slow down, depending on that low that's over the coast and out over the ocean right now. But that does look like the Tetons. And most of Idaho will already have snow. In parts of southwest Montana will already have snow in place to ski new snow by Saturday morning. Nothing in Colorado yet. So that's Saturday morning at 5. By the time we get into Sunday morning, then that snow has already moved through the Wasatch and is in Colorado. You can kind of see the wave riding into Colorado at that point along I-70 and north. So that'll make for a good Sunday of skiing in a lot of these places. All right, let's talk accumulation. So by the time we go from today, tonight, into tomorrow, most of the accumulations in Colorado, you can see the numbers. I would aim for southern Colorado, Wolf Creek, Silverton, Telluride, some of those spots, although it does look like we may pick up a couple or 3 inches on the divide for Loveland, all the way up to Winter Park and Eldora and a number of those places. Now, then we move ahead. We have to refocus because that low is going to move away. It becomes the west coast then as we head into Thursday. Not much there, but between Thursday and Friday, we'll start to add the totals up, especially up around the Whistler area. We'll add a little bit into the Pacific. This is nowhere, I mean, this is obviously not a blockbuster storm for these areas, but at least it's new snow. Look at Shasta. The numbers go up nicely there, and we will add snow between Friday and Saturday. And right here, it's all about timing because I'm going to stop this on Saturday. Jackson Hole's already got over half a foot, 7 inches right there because it arrives there earlier. We're just starting to see the accumulation happen in the Wasatch by Saturday morning, but it happens all day long. So here are the totals between Saturday, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday morning. Sunday might be the day to ski the Wasatch in Utah. And we've added a little bit in Colorado as well. We've added some more up in the Tetons, Jackson Hole, Grand Targhee. Look at Big Sky. By the time we get into Sunday morning, Discovery, all of those places have added some nice snow. So it looks like with this storm that's out over the Pacific will provide us a nice weekend coming up here with some new powder. All right, thank you for tuning in here. Always appreciate it. Take care.